Meaning of genuflect.
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 Genuflect. The word genuflect is a verb that means to briefly bend one knee to the ground as a sign of respect or worship. This action is often associated with religious or formal ceremonies, but can also be used in everyday situations as a display of reverence. The act of genuflection is a physical demonstration of submission or humility, and is often seen as a way of acknowledging the authority or power of someone or something else. In summary, genuflecting is a gesture of respect or deference that involves bending one knee to the ground, typically done in formal or religious settings.